Hello, fellow creators. I just was going to go through a quick tutorial. I saw this help request, so I wanted to explain how you can create something like this effect in Illustrator. This could be done. It would take a little bit of work to get elements to look like this. Also, you would have to apply different blurs to different areas of the artwork. But let me show you how you could get started. So getting started, I'm just going to create a rectangle. And then what I'm going to use is the gradient mesh tool. This will let me apply gradients and morph them to the selection of what I want. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to go ahead and create a grid. If you run out of grid lines, and I'm doing this randomly so that way I get more of an organic fill. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to come in here and place a couple more lines to be in between. Oop, I'm going to undo because I want to make sure that it's more of a grid. Then with it selected, what I can do is bring out my color controls here. And what you want to do is figure out the colors that you're going to want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this spot to pink. I'm going to keep it dark on the edge, and I'm going to go white here, and then I'm going to do a deep purple here. And what I'm going to do here is just quickly give you a representation on how to use the tool because it's going to take a little bit of practice and a little bit of know-how to do it. But using your direct select, you can come in here and morph the drawing area. And then having preset colors in here, you can change how that area is going to look. And with the direct select, I can actually come in here and grab that shape to pull it and move it. And then you can come in here and grab your Beziers and morph them a little bit more. So if you start seeing here, you can see that it's going to start getting the effect that you want.